Children, today we start the lesson of standard 5th of subject science, our earth and our solar system. Under this lesson, we see the subtopic dwarf planets. There are some heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun, called as dwarf planets. The most well-known dwarf planet is Pluto. Pluto planets independently revolve around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. Now we see the subtopic asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. As compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. You know that the moon is closest to the earth. That's why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the sun. Now see this diagram. This is the diagram of solar system. You see the sun in the center and the heavenly bodies that revolve around it and their orbits. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids are all part of these solar systems. Now we see the gravity. What is gravity? Children, you know that due to the earth gravity, all things on the earth remain on it. If we throw something upwards with a great force, it finally falls down the ground because of gravity. All heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or a pull on one another. This force is called as the force of gravity. The sun exerts a gravitational pull on all planets, whereas the tendency of the planet is to move away from the sun. As the result of these two forces, a planet keeps revolving around the sun at a fixed distance in a fixed orbit. In the same way, satellites revolve around their planets. Now we see what is space. The emptiness between and beyond the stars and planets is called space or a outer space. Children, everyone or people have always been curious about the heavenly bodies in the sky. They have always wanted to reach them. However, to send some object from the earth into the space, it must be given power against the force of gravity. Do you know the rocket? Yes, the rocket technology or space launch technology is used for this purpose. Do you know the Diwali firecrackers? Yes, it is called as firecrackers is called as a rocket. It is packed with explosive substances. The explosive burns rapidly and produce a lots of energy. The design of the rocket is such that the firecracker is pushed in a certain difference at a great speed. That is, very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into the space, and tremendous quantity of fuel is burned in rockets so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. Into the 20th century, a few countries of the world developed space technology and sent hundreds of spacecraft into space. Our country is well known for the development of its space launch technology. Some spacecrafts remain in space, some are brought back to Earth, while some land on the other planets or satellites. In some missions, scientists also travel in the spacecraft. They are called as astronauts. Do you know the Indian astronaut? Yes, Rakesh Sharma is the Indian astronaut. Now we see the man-made satellite. Man-made satellite provides useful information, that is for agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, making maps and searching for water and minerals wealth on the earth. They are also used for telecommunication. They are put into orbit around the earth and they can remain into space for many years. This is the use of the man-made satellites. Thank you.